Hi, welcome to the attic. Today's episode will be another one in this area Will It Fix? With me today I have this Thorens turntable. It has some issues. So the question is, will it fix? Come join me. Okay, let's see what we got here. This is a Thorens TD 165. It says Tandberg in the front, but it is actually a Thorens. I have a little job to do on this one. As you can see, this anti-skating system. Something missing, as you can see there. One of these is missing, and it's also missing a weight. So I'm going to see if we can fix this. The owner of this turntable is not willing to take the cost to replace the whole arm, which is what he should be doing. But I think we can somehow fix it so it is usable. It also needs a new stylus and a new belt. As I told, we can try to fix this because, well, how to tell it? This part of the anti-skate is broken and gone, and you cannot find any parts for this. What I did, well, let's see. I made something on the printer, on the 3D printer. It is similar to this one, but instead of metal, it is plastic. So what we're going to do is, it should fit exactly where this other one once stood, and we're going to glue it. Has been some glue here before. Let's see if needs any adjustments. Fits like a charm. Okay. Then we're going to find some glue, and we do epoxy. Again, a little epoxy glue, like that. Then we let it have some time to harden, and meanwhile we do some other work. I'm also going to replace this belt because this one is really, what to say, slack. New belt. And oh yes, absolutely. And the next thing will, well, it seems like need a clean. So let's do so. best I can do for a surface like that. And plastics back again. This one was a little ambitious. We need a lot smaller. That is a little more into what we are working with. And how did I do this? Well, I used a stapler. And I formed it and I cut it, and also inside the weight. It is only 2.6 gram. Does not need chain. Like that. This stylus has a little issue. It's almost teared off. And we have some other one it's supposed to be. Like that. Now let's see. I'm going to adjust the tone arm. Going to be like 2.5 gram. It's not right now. Something like that. And then bring that one to 0. Do you see what I just did? What I just did was I balanced this arm so it is, as you can see, it is kind of a balance, and I adjust this one to 0, and now I'm going to turn this one so I get to 2 grams like that. Well, this arm is 2 grams. And see, it slides back, which means the anti-skate is a little hard. So you can do it like that. Yeah. I'm going to let the owner adjust the anti-skate the way he wants it. At this moment it is adjusted and ready for the test. The moment of truth. I rigged up the amplifier, powered it up, and got some music on the turntable. And let's see if it will start. Interesting. It will work indeed. Need some anti-skate adjustment, and but as I told, I'm going to let the owner do that. So would it fix? Yes indeed, and it works like a charm. I already sent a message to the owner, and he is way past pleased. I love these vintage turntables. So beautiful to look at, and so amazing sound. You have to try. As for this video, it's very close to its end. Then you know what you have to do. It's not only the new ones, but those of you who still have not done it yet, these buttons down there, this like and subscribe, click them. It's free. So until next time, bye.